Okay, so here are some of my great transformation tricks using the scale rotation tool. And if you start thinking this way, it's very simple to make changes in Illustrator. If you think this way, think Illustrator, it's very simple to create masterpieces. So I always start again with rulers, Command R on rulers. If you ever see Command keys for Macintosh, Control keys for Windows. So Command Control is the same depending on the platform. The Option key on Macintosh, the Alt key on Windows. So I'm going to get started by putting a simple guide here. I always get started by hitting the A tool. The A tool selects the direct selection tool. So from there, this point, if I hit the brush tool or the pencil tool, letter N, or the spiral tool, etc., I can go back to that tool by simply go back to the A tool by simply holding down the Command key. Get in the habit of doing this. So if you hit the Alt tool by hitting the letter L, so I'm going to basically fill this with orange, and if you want to move it, just hold down the Command key and move the object. Okay, so here's our objective. I want to rotate it from this point, so I hit the R for rotation tool, pick a point to rotate from. Now, if you hold down the Option key to make a clone copy and the Shift key to constrain it, it's going to constrain it to a 45-degree angle. So therefore, I can just duplicate the object. Any type of transformation is moving, rotating. Anything that falls under this category, excuse me, plus the Option key, which is cloning. Could transform again by hitting Command D. Okay, now this is something I kind of went through this in a separate video, but let's say I want to have 17 of these, or 13 of these, or 21 of these. So let's say 17. Now, unless you're extremely good at math, we're going to go to a calculator here, and we're going to simply say 360 degrees divided by 17. That, of course, equals 21.17. So I want to rotate this 21.17 times to give me 17. How do I do this? I hold down the Option key, go to the rotation tool, hold down the Option key, and put in 21.17. Make a copy. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Exactly 17 on money. Now I can select the whole thing. Okay? And we're going to stroke this. We're going to stroke this with black to give some kind of definition. So it's stroked with black. I don't want to see the anchor points, so Command H hides anchor points, Command H shows the anchor points, Command H hides, Command H shows. Of course, in Windows, it's the Control key. So now go to the Scale tool, pick a point to scale from, and scale it down at 65%. Here's another shortcut. If you hit the Option key and return, it's going to copy. Option key return, choices for options, Option return, Windows Control return. So now you can go to the fill, change the color. Command D, change the color. Command D, change the color. Command D, change the color. Now I can take this whole thing, scale it down, ask for scale, hit the return key, scale this down to 65%. Command D, another 65%. So now I'm going to scale it from this point here, and I want 14 of them. So I could say 360 divided by 14 equals 25.71. So I rotate from this point, Option, click, 25.71. Option, return. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Simple as pie, if you know what you're doing.